Good day everyone, I'm Jonathan. Today I'm going to talk about the social issue together with my proposed solution. Our community faces many problems, but what I see is trash that is not put in the right place, which cause flooding even during great rains. It clogs the drain so that the water cannot flow properly. My proposal solution on place sack on every corner to serve a temporary trash can. It is better to use sacks so that it does not fill with water that can become in home for mosquitoes that carry disease. The sack need to be inspected to see if they are full so they can be placed in correct dump and picked up by municipal garbage collection. We can't do this alone, so we can need to ask youth for help. We are encourage youth so that we can also gain knowledge to help the community. And if it happens, don't need to pay people to clean up our surrounding because this will be the beginning of everyone working together with community will be more organized and clean. Hindi ko ito maisasagawa kung walang makikinig at tutulong sa akin. Mas mainam na mapakinggan nila ang aking mungkahi para maisip nila ang kalagahan ng aking adhikain sa lahat ng hakbang. Kailangan ng pagkakaisa to focus to our goal. Ngunit, hindi lahat ay sang-ayon dahil kasimula mahirap isagawa pero naniniwala ako na makakabuti sa lahat ang aking adhikain. Pangalawa, nais kong isang guni sa bawat mamamayan ay ang magtanim ng maraming puno para sa darating na panahon may sisipsip at kasangga sa tubig ulan. Dahil sa panahon ngayon, maraming establishmento ang itinatayo sa bawat lugar upang mapaganda ang isang lugar. Ngunit dahil dyan, maraming puno ang pinuputol para lang sa kanilang pansariling pangangailangan. Hindi nila naisip na maraming pwedeng mangyari sa mamamayan ang mamamayan ay magsasuffer sa kanilang mga ginawa. We will be a model for other barangay and this will be an answer to having clean pollution and we will be difficulty live longer by the breathing pure and clean air.